How's it going, everyone? Welcome to a technical analysis of Bitcoin. Today is August 12th, and let's get straight to it. So let's look at the daily time frame. Let's see what we got going on. Previously, we had pointed out that's the daily pivot, and let's see, let's get rid of that. So, well, clearly that's acting as a resistance right there. Previous around the 12,000 mark. There's a resistance from the pivots as well. And that's clearly acting as a support. That's a critical area, which is the 10,500 range. If we fall below that, I expect some heavy downfall. And let's look at if we have any parallel trends, maybe. Possibly some closure there, but not really. I wouldn't count that yet. I'd expect another. Nah, I wouldn't really count that. Nope. Let's look at a smaller time frame. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's see if we have any supports trend line. Yeah, I would say this was broken, and if it comes down from right here, that's gonna be pretty bad. We already made a lower low, but not much yet. We need to come down from here. If this bounces up, I expect that to be the next resistance, as this is acting as a resistance right now as well. Yeah, there was some resistances right there. I mean, these acted as supports right here and right there. All that was acting as support. So that's going to act as a resistance right there. Let's see. The 55, 200A, it's all getting rejected from there. We got a little. Let's get rid of this. The SMAs real quick. And the 2 EMAs. The 8 and 13 don't really need that right now. The 21 EMAs did support this on the 1 hour from going down, but again, that resistance right there. We need to break that resistance of 11,600, and then the next resistance is going to be around 11,750, I believe. Around that. Once we break that, then we can aim for 11,800 again. As of right now, I think this might go a little bit more down. I'll probably short it around 11,750 if it ends up going that high. Let's get these back real quick. It's going to be a scalp. It's not going to be a major short if it does go that high. The main one might be around 12,000 if I see some level 2 action. The 55 EMA, it's above it right now. Let's see. Clearly this will be a support. I could see the 200 EMA going up like this. I'm just going to pencil real quick. Brush tool right there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that'll probably go up like that. And then it'll align with that support as well, that horizontal support around 10,700, I believe. And I expect it to go a little down and then bounce up. Now it's a long area right there on the 4 hour. And then obviously I'm going to expect a little bounce from there. Might be a main bounce, might be a slow bounce. And take profits as it goes up. I never over risk or anything. Make sure I take my profit. Let's see, on the daily. Yeah, the 21 EMA is supporting it right now. This might be a little good support. We are getting hidden bullish divergence from that low to that low. RSI was making a lower low, yet the price action was making a higher low. So that is hidden bullish divergence. Let's look at the MACD real quick. We are getting a crossover to the downside, but I don't see the momentum going that strong. Mainly what I've traded is that this is the pattern where you want to really short the white line going like that, and then let's see, the blue line should be going something like this. Yeah, something like that. That's what we want to see. If you're bearish, if you're a bear, this is what you want to see. And the blue, yeah, this is what you want to see if you're a bear. And you're looking for this area right here. This is the crossover. You're looking for that second crossover. Make sure it's a lower high. And then you expect the histogram to go like this and then go up, but make sure that's not making a higher high. It's just a lower low. And then a strong momentum down. That is what you're looking for. You're looking over for that lower high on both the lines and the histogram. And then on price action, obviously a higher high, because that'll give you bearish divergence, aligning with RSI hopefully as well, if you are a bear. Let's see on the weekly, the main trend line, that's been the multi-year trend line. Let's see. Here to there, it was broken recently. That is a very good sign if you're a bull. I expect it to come down. If it does, that's a very good long opportunity. Test that trend line, retest it, and hopefully it bounces up and goes higher. That's for the bulls right there. You want to get on that 21 EMA on the weekly or on the 55 if it comes to it, but I don't see that happening yet. Looking very good, very good. Back to the daily, the stochastics coming down. Not much here yet. Let's look at gold. Gold did shoot down recently, and gold, Bitcoin, traditional markets are all correlated. As much as you don't want to admit it, it is currently, as of now, well, as of 2017, end of 2017, 2018 beginning, since the CMEs came out. Yeah, the gold did shoot down. 55 EMA supporting it right now. Just gotta give it more time, see if it does support it actually. Right now, let's look at 6 hour. 55 EMA supported it. And that's a nice support right there. Look, that's a nice supply zone right there. The 12 hour, let's open the 12 hour. There it is. That S2, that support 2, would align with the 55 EMA. That's a nice long area as well. Around 10,850, I believe, for the 12 hour. Let's see, anything else? The R2, 12,100. That's the area we gotta beat to go long for the bulls. As of right now, we gotta get a higher high right now. We gotta close above this. That's a nice looking wick. Yeah, if we close above that 200 EMA, that's a good sign for the bulls. For short term, obviously, right now. On the 1 hour. Oh, there it goes. Hopefully it closes like that too. Then we'll probably see that around 11,750, I believe. Yeah. Okay. That would be a nice. Okay, so that aligns perfectly. That would be wave 1, and then hopefully that's wave 3 finish, and that would be wave 5. If you're looking at an Elliott wave theory, and I expected 11,750 to be a nice resistance. Probably take a little short scalp there, depending on the level 2 action. It all depends if it closes, this hourly candle closes above that previous candle. 4 hour, it wasn't looking so good. We might have got a double tweezer, but right now it is getting rejected from the bottom. Just some hidden by bullish divergence we saw on the daily too. Let's see if the 21 rejects this going up. Well, right now it's just a waiting game. That support one really came in handy. I did get on that. I got around, I believe it was 35, I think. Yeah, 35 was what I got at. I did get out premature since it was nighttime. I didn't want to hold the trade overnight. I'm looking for that S3 opportunity as it aligns with the daily pivot, and I expect the 55 EMA to come up as well during that time. Yeah, that's a critical spot. If we go below that, I expect some downfall. Maybe hit that trend line, that weekly multi-year trend line that we saw earlier, and that would be your long opportunity if it holds for long term. And right now it's just a waiting game. If you would like any technical analysis on any other coin, if you want to see Elliott Wave, just let me know. Thanks for watching.